Welcome to the Bosch Condens 8300 IW external casing installation instruction video. This video will demonstrate the installation of the external casing for the new Condens 8300 IW 25 and 35 system and 40 kilowatt combi boilers. The backing plate must be installed onto a fixed rigid surface at least the same size as the boiler and capable of supporting the boiler weight. This figure shows the correct location to position supports behind the wall if required. Position the back panel of the external casing using a single screw in the central top keyhole. Using the pre-drilled holes in the external casing backing plate, mark the fixing positions and then install the appropriate fixings into the wall. Now you can install the boiler backing plate into position. Leave the bottom two fixings loose so the boiler manifold can be installed. Now install the boiler manifold hanging off the two bottom screws and fix securely. Now fit the fibre washers into position before hanging the boiler. Now you can hang the boiler into position and connect to the manifold. Now secure the boiler using the boiler fixing bracket located above the heat exchanger. Now you can tighten the connections on the boiler manifold. The next step is to install the flue elbow on the top of the boiler. Using the three screws come in the horizontal flue terminal packaging, secure the elbow to the top of the boiler through the pre-existing holes. Ensure the front of the elbow is facing to the front of the boiler. A 1/8 hole is required to be drilled into the side of the flue elbow. A pre-punched mark indicates the position of the hole. Now remove the flue terminal end from the telescopic piece. Install the flue terminal end directly into the elbow and fix with the screw provided in the packaging. Next step is to install the boiler side panels. Install the top connecting piece. Now install the front panel. You can now hang the boiler casing side panels. Identify the back of the boiler casing panel by the slots, and the channel is at the bottom. Now install the bottom plate. And the top. Once this is installed, the front panel can be hung in position and the flue terminal seal can then be put into place. This now concludes the installation of the external casing for the 8300 IW condensing Bosch boiler.